A butterfly's life cycle has 4 stages, and this big change is called metamorphosis. First comes the egg. A mother butterfly lays a tiny egg on a leaf. The egg is very small, almost like a little dot. Next comes the larva, also called a caterpillar. The caterpillar hatches from the egg and eats lots of leaves. Its job is to eat and grow bigger and bigger. Then comes the pupa stage, also called a chrysalis. The caterpillar makes a protective case around itself. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. Finally, the adult butterfly comes out with wings. At first, the wings are soft, but soon they dry and the butterfly can fly. Then, the butterfly lays eggs and the life cycle starts again. Remember the order: egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. That whole process is metamorphosis.